this lecture, we are going to see about the YouTube Competition Analyzer. This interface consists of two sections. One is to calculate YouTube keyword competition and the other one is the keyword report. So as for this section, as for this interface is considered, it's very simple to use. At the same time, it gives you a great and wider idea about what keyword you should select or use for your YouTube ranking. So let's get started. First, you have to enter your keyword to analyze. For example, it can be Apple, iPhone or something like that. Enter your keyword and then you have to select a list. You have to select a file in which all your competition list will get saved. So it would be good if you select a CSV file right here. Select a CSV file in this part and then you have to click on Start Now. That's it in this interface. You no need to give any other detail. You have to just enter your keyword that you wish to research and select a file and start the process. If you want, so I have started the process and you can see the status of the process in the status bar right here. Make sure that if you get the result should be like your keyword should have a low competition. If the keyword you have selected here has lower competition, then it's very simple for you to get ranked soon. So select a keyword that has lower competition. So you can see that the status of the process has been moving. The process is going on. Yes, our process is completed and you can see that it has very hard competition, so it's better to select a different keyword. The software suggests us to not make use of this keyword because it is very hard to rank for this keyword, and top 10 competition is really very hard for the keyword we have entered, that is for Apple iPhone. So it has suggested us to make use of another related keyword. So this is how the report will be. You have to select a keyword in which it has lower competition. Even medium competition is better to go with, but I would suggest to select a lower competition keyword which will give you more profit, and it also helps you to rank in YouTube very easily. So make sure you are selecting a good low competitive keyword. I have just shown you an example about how to make use of this interface. So go with another keyword, go with a keyword that has lower competition and rock the YouTube. If you have any questions regarding how to make use of this interface, please feel free to contact me.